Hey, let's check this out. One thing I really like about the Riverwalk is constant maps that show the Riverwalk, and then they just kind of drill a little hole to let you know where you are. I'm going all the way past the locks and dams here today, so hopefully I get in about 2.5 or 3 miles out, and then gonna come back. So it should be 5 or 6 miles today, all along the riverfront. Nice. Hi everyone, I am in San Antonio, Texas, and I am running along the Riverwalk in downtown. Today I'm gonna head, I don't know, a few miles along the San Antonio River, and we're gonna check out what the San Antonio Riverwalk is all about. It's pretty cold today. It's the beginning of March. It's kind of foggy, bit of a light rain, and it's cold. I'm wearing gloves. So we'll see how we do on this cold Texas day. Let's check out the San Antonio Riverwalk. Okay everyone, so now I'm all along the main section of the San Antonio River, and I believe this Riverwalk stretches all the way to the San Antonio Zoo. So I started my run this morning at the Alamo, which is about 2 blocks from the Riverwalk. And for those of you who don't know, the Alamo is probably the most significant structure in Texas history. There was a battle there as part of the fight for Texas independence from Mexico. About 200 Texas defenders against a Mexican army led by Santa Anna, which is about 4,000 or 5,000. It was essentially a 2-week siege, and then the Mexican army overran the Texas army. All the defenders were killed, but it became a rally cry for the rest of Texas. Sort of remember the Alamo. And about 6 weeks later, the Texas army defeated Santa Anna, and they gained their independence. This really is a pleasant little run along the river. A few other people out running this morning. I would imagine once it warms up a bit and you know, the trees and flowers blossom a bit more, it becomes more popular. But right now it's pretty nice. Early in the morning, a little bit eerie, foggy, misty. 2 miles. Okay, this is where I'm gonna turn around. I'm at about 2.5 miles. If I wanted to get to the museum and the zoo, I could do about another 2 miles out. So pretty long area to run. Fantastic place to check out if you're in San Antonio. You gotta check out the Riverwalk. Okay, I'm gonna end my run here. My name is Andy. I am the travel runner. Thanks for coming along with me in San Antonio. I don't know where I'm gonna be traveling to next, but wherever I go, I'm gonna be running, and of course I hope to see you there